Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you fix permanently suspended Twitter account. Now, this works if your account is suspended, but you did not violate any guidelines rules in the community. So let's start. Now, as you can see, I am on Twitter, but there is nothing in here. So what you can do is swipe to the left, tap on Settings and Support, and tap on Help Center. Now, this is going to take you to Twitter's support page. And from here, you can tap on Search and search for About Suspended. Now, from the results, tap on About Suspended Accounts, and you can scroll down. And here, on the link that says File an Appeal, let's tap on this. And in here, you can review your information such as your username, your password, and the email address that you use. Now, from the text box, you can type the reason why your account is locked. So you can type in something like this. Alright, now after this, tap on Submit, and the Twitter team is going to be in touch with you in 24 hours. Alright, now that is for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.